First, go to GeminiGoogle.com. From there, you can either upload an existing character design or create a brand new character from scratch. In this example, I'll be creating a new character. I'll paste in my prompt here and send the message. One important thing to note, when you generate images directly in Gemini, the output is usually square only. You won't be able to easily create vertical or horizontal images. If you want full control over the aspect ratio or image size, using Google Studio at studio.google.com. Start a new chat, select the Gemini Nano Banana model, and then choose your desired aspect ratio. That's the best option if layout control is important to you. For this demo though, a square image works just fine. Now, this prompt is designed to force Gemini to generate 5 different images. Because of that, generation may take a bit longer, but it's still faster than many other image generation models. This makes Gemini a great tool for iterative character design work. You can see that it successfully generated 5 images from a single prompt. Images can be downloaded and used for character design, video games, animations, comics, or other creative projects. Overall, this is a powerful and efficient way to create consistent character designs using Gemini AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.